the distance, you'll see LA. Actually, West Covina. You'll be able to see LA further up. I don't know if you will, though, because right now all the fires, we're living in a Silent Hill. With all the smoke in the air, I can't really make things out. I'm going up in this dark hill by myself. I can hear the sirens going right now in the distance. And it's kind of spooky. It is kind of spooky. There are steer up here, cattle, and there are deer, there are bobcats, occasional mountain lion, not many though, but coyotes, and you hear them off in the distance running through the brush. Kind of freaks you out. They have oil guys that come up here on the weekends. You'll see them coming here with a black truck. The guy that does it, he's been doing it for 12 years, I think he told me. He comes up here, he's got a black truck. He comes up here and parks, he's got keys to the gate. Comes up here and parks. Hear that? So cool. Right here in the city. There's a bunch of them down there. Anyway, he comes up here and parks and walks around with an AR-15. A deer. A deer, right there, look. Look at right there, see the deer? Look. There's a deer right there. Look at that. How cool is that? I hope it's making it out. There's a deer right there. So there he goes. Yeah, I see there's deer up here. There's coyotes. I just saw some eyes up there. Something big coming down. There's a Sasquatch action. Anyway, that guy's paid by the Cattle Association around here to keep the coyote population down. Who would have thought those everyday carries, EDCs, the survival tins, and such would, and bug out bags might be called upon so soon. But the way things are going, we never know. It's always good to have a good flashlight. Like a fire source. If you have one fire source, you have none. If you have two, you have one. Because they fail. You lose them, they get left behind, they break. It's always good to have an extra. Almost every ThruNite comes with a rechargeable battery. There is one that runs off AA's, and I don't believe ThruNite makes a AA battery yet, but Amazon makes a AA battery and you can charge them and it works great. I have that one. That's the Archer A2V3, I believe. But this one, you charge it right in the unit. I've been walking for a couple hours. Still good. But as always, there'll be a link in the details. If you like this light, if you don't like this light, there'll be a link to the Factory Direct website, ThruNite. You can check out all their different lights. There's another rabbit. They're everywhere up here. I've seen deer. I saw a raccoon, a possum, coyote, probably 20 or 30 rabbits. If I would have come a little earlier, I'd probably see some tarantulas. And fishing game tells me they don't exist up here, but I caught 4 in 1 hour. I showed the video. I showed them the video and they said, if they're there, you brought them there. And I didn't bring them here, but I caught Mojave green rattlesnakes up here. 4 in 1 hour. Or 4 in 2 hours, maybe. I forget. Look at all those. Look, right there, look. Look, right there and right there. See them? Look at that. Rabbits, it's practically chickens. Look at that. So as for the drop test, here we go. Shoulder height. Solid hit. That was a solid hit. It didn't even flash. I'll show you if it didn't dings in it, but it didn't even flash. It didn't even blink. Now I'm unable to get to the mountains, so I'm unable to get to a water source. So a bucket of water is about the best I can do right now. But make sure the charging thing is closed. Yeah, make sure that's closed. Charging for the USB is closed, and then there it is. Bucket of water. Not even a flicker. It's a nice light. Got your low, medium, high, turbo, 3 clicks, strobe action, bat signal. So here's a look at it. USB. Now it's got a clip, 2-way clip. You can clip it this way on your pocket facing down, or you can clip it this way on your hat brim, turn into a headlight. It'd be a powerful headlight. Aircraft aluminum. I dropped it from about 4.5 feet. Solid hit. I don't see a ding on it. And directly threw it in the water. And still works. So if you're putting together a bug out EDC, just in case, emergency, whatever you want to call it, if you're putting away a kit for the possibility of what's around the next corner, what September, October, November is going to bring us, you might want to consider this. Link in the details. ThruNite. Here's a look at the battery. powerful, longer lasting than some of the others.